The voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but still the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that?
You're looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
You're looking mighty sweet. No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey, too. Just glad just talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
Favor?
Ooh, I need some water in the worst way. Oh, look at my ranch. I'm a goner, honey.